Hello, this is Tim White with the Hamilton Tiger Cats.
And this is Stephen Dunbar with the Hamilton Tiger Cats, and we're here at Turkstra Lumber in Hamilton to take the Build It Better Challenge.
I'm here with Project Coach Mike and Project Coach Steph, and they're going to be assisting our competitors today. The catch is that they're only allowed to give you one answer or one piece of advice for each challenge. So, players, choose your questions carefully.
I'm very confident, not because I know about construction, but because I know that I'm gonna figure it out whenever I get to whatever I gotta figure out. Because I got a great coach, and we're gonna take it home. Tim, you better come with it, because I'm coming to win.
I'm feeling super excited and super confident today. I think I picked a great coach. I think we're gonna go out here, we're gonna get the dub, we're gonna flex on after, big stuff. So we're gonna have some fun.
For the first challenge, we're going to give you 4 wood samples, and you need to match them with the correct label.
So spruce is lighter and a little whiter in color. Oak is a little denser wood. It's got more grains in it. Poplar is, it's like almost looks like a raw wood. It's white with it'll have green tones to it. Cedar is redwood, and it's a very aromatic wood.
Sound good.
Right.
Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna go here for this one. I'm gonna go here for this one. I'm gonna go here for this one, and I'm gonna go here for this one. Jeez, okay, maybe. Okay, that's what I'm going with. Let's go, baby.
All right, Tim, so spruce is our conventional framing lumber. It's what we build most items out of. It's gonna look the most like a tree. You're gonna notice knots in the wood grain pattern. Oak is a harder wood. It's gonna have a tight wood grain, but with a lot of grainage to the wood. Poplar's got a more widespread grain pattern. It's a paint grade wood, gonna be nice and smooth. And the cedar is your finishing wood. Think of like your deck board. It's gonna smell really good as well. It's gonna have a reddish tinge to it.
Where are your wood samples?
Gotta smell it, gotta.
That's right.
All right, I'm gonna say this. It's really smooth. Ooh, okay. So, I'm gonna say this is spruce right here. I'm gonna trust my instincts with the, right there.
All right. Oh, that was great, guys. Okay, for your second challenge, we're gonna tell you what the tool is used for, and you have to grab the correct tool from the store.
The first tool you need to find is something you would use to check if something is flat.
See, I think I see something over here. Over here, yeah, that's one of these giants right here. Let's just get this one.
I love this guy.
Let's see. Come on. This is what I need right here. Easily. You gotta make sure that the bubble is, you know what I'm saying?
Because Turkstra, you're always on the level.
I don't have no store clerks in here? No. Okay. I feel like it's not gonna be over here. Oh, okay. My instinct is telling me, yeah, this is for sure it. A level, yeah.
The next tool you need to find is a tool you would use to mark long and straight lines.
Use it to mark a long and straight line. Would you use this? Oh, this ain't
That would be to measure a line.
That would be measure the line, yeah. Chalk line reel. This is it right here, baby.
Right.
This is it.
No, it can't be. All right, well, I'm just gonna take a wild guess at this point. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this right here.
Boom, what you got?
I got
A
the
chalk
power
line.
winder, yep.
Chalk line.
Chalk line.
The final tool that you need to find is a tool that you would use to mark and measure angles.
This ain't it. It gotta be something with something like that. This right here. Yeah, this shit right here, of course. Makes sense. Because it got degrees on it. Yeah, it's angles, right? Oh, man, I'm too good at this. I never even did this before. I never know what this called. But it's just common sense. Degrees, come on, huh?
Oh, that is tough. I think I'm gonna need some help.
Anytime I need to measure or mark some angles, I turn to my speed square or my quick square. We sell a variety here at Turkstra Lumber, but the one that works best for me because it fits in my tool belt is my 7-inch speed square from Stanley. Tim, I'm gonna suggest we go with this one on our answer here, bud.
I like it.
This is the end of part 1, but check back soon for part 2 and find out who wins the Build It Better Challenge.